Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's the boy Kamal-Amir. I'm coming to y'all live from Philly. Listen, let me get the business right. I'm looking for somebody. Now, you may or may not be him. You may or may not be her, but listen, I'm looking for somebody. Now, who exactly am I looking for? I'm looking for somebody who's looking for opportunity, man. I'm looking for somebody that's looking for opportunity. Now, what I mean is, you might be somebody who's just sick and tired of being sick and tired. I know that's cliche, but it is what it is. You might be that person. You might be that person that's been working 5, 10, 15, 20 years and they ain't really getting nowhere, right? You might be that person who's trying to get somewhere. You know you're trying to go somewhere. You're trying to go somewhere, right? I don't know where you're trying to go, but you know deep down you're trying to get somewhere. But where you're at right now, whatever position you're holding, you know it's not going to get you there. That's the person I'm looking for. If you're that person, hit the learn more button at the bottom of the screen. I got something I want to share with you, right? If you're that person, hit the learn more button at the bottom of the screen. I got something I want to share with you. Just some information. That's it. I don't want lifetime employees. If you're a lifetime employee, meaning you got a job and you're content with working a job up until the time you retire, taking orders from somebody else, being on somebody else's time, I don't want you. Hit the skip ad button. You can skate. I want that person who's not content. I want that person who's not complacent. I want that person who know without a shadow of a doubt that it's bigger and better for them and for their family. Who know they got the potential, who know they can do more than what they're doing right now, but where they at right now is not going to take them to that level. If you that person, mash the learn more button at the bottom of the screen. I want to share something with you. That's what I'm looking for. Now, what I mean is, I don't mean a second job. I don't promote jobism. We don't promote we don't promote jobism over here. We promote entrepreneurship. We promote personal development. We promote financial freedom. We promote business ownership. We promote investments. That's what we promote. That's what I'm looking for. That person who's trying to step it up, step outside that box, that's trying to think big. That's who we looking for. If you that person, mash that learn more button at the bottom of the screen. I got some info that I want to share with you, and that's it. That's who I'm looking for. All right? That's who I'm looking for. You might be that person. You may or may not be that person. Now listen, you might have been looking for a vehicle, right? You might be looking for something, but you couldn't find a proper vehicle. I just might have that vehicle. Again, mash the learn more button at the bottom of the screen. Let me share some info with you. That's it. Just share some info with me. All right? Just let me share some info with you. That's who I'm looking for. So if you that person, you're trying to step it up, you're trying to level up, you're trying to take things to another level. Now what I'm offering, I don't mean no overnight get rich quick type schemes, no cash at flower bloom and all that nonsense. There's some real stuff going on back here, right? So I'm looking for somebody that's really trying to do some things. If you're that person, mash that learn more button at the bottom of the screen. I got some great information I would like to share with you, all right? Again, the name is Kamal-Amir. I'm coming to y'all live from Philadelphia, PA. Hopefully I see you boys on the other side. Peace and blessings. Y'all stay cool.